Hi guys, it's me liv-dreams. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a 3D pen doodling session. I have a piece of plastic that I'm going to put on top of it to let the plastic peel off. And I'm going to be doing the glasses. And I think that they're little bear ears, but I really like them. I'm going to be using blue and pink. I have my 3D pen, which is called Draw 3D. It doesn't matter if you use a 3D doodler or any 3D pen you have. They're all okay. So, we can now start the video, so let's go. So the first step is going to be to do the circle around it. I'm starting off with a thin pattern and then I'm going to go into a thicker pattern. Now we're going to do the connection that connects the two circles. This part should be very easy. I've just finished the connection. Now I'm going to do the other circle. And I'm going to do the same way I did it last time, starting off nice and thin, then going thicker. Don't worry if you have little strands poking out. We're going to get rid of them later. But now your glasses should look like this, nearly complete. But now what we have to do is we have to colour in the semicircle around it, but don't colour in the middle. Let's go. Now we're going to do the exact same thing we did right here on this side. Let's go. Our glasses are now in this process and I love it. As you can see, I've changed to my pink colour. Now I'm going to colour in between the little ears. Let's go. The next part we're going to do, I'm going to do it in pink, is this line right here. It's going to go right here, behind the glasses. So let's go. Guys, we are so close to the end. All we have to do now is finish this loop. Now it's done, we have to cut it before we assemble it. Now we're going to snip off all these little hairy things, which I told you about earlier, and then we can assemble it. Let's go. Now we're going to peel them off. I've already took this one off, so let's do this one. That was really satisfying. Okay, time for the main part. Oh my gosh, looks so cute. Okay, now the final part is to put it together. So what we're going to do is we're going to take it, our 3D pen, we're going to put a blob of glue in the spot we think should do best. Then we're going to take one of these, the handle thingies, and we're going to stick it in the blob as soon as we put the blob there. You might need another person to help you with this though. So this is how my glasses have turned out. They're really cute and they fit. This book was a real help, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. See you in another video. Bye!